Hi there and welcome. This is Dr. Nellie Deutsch, a teacher educator who loves to teach and share. If you're an educator, tutor, business trainer, coach, or parent involved in homeschooling, you may want your very own online space where you can teach, organize learning materials, support students, and manage courses in one place. The problem is that setting up a learning environment can feel too technical, especially if you're not a web developer. Moodle is the best LMS for teaching and learning because it gives you so many powerful tools in one place. I've been teaching with Moodle since 2003, and I have never looked back. You can add lessons, videos, quizzes, assignments, forms, certificates, resources, activities, and learner support. You can also organize your courses, track progress, give feedback, create a complete learning environment, and integrate AI into your courses as a teacher and for your students. This is where Hostinger comes in. With Hostinger, you can install Moodle in a few easy steps and create your very own learning site without needing advanced technical skills. Instead of trying to build everything from scratch, you can use Hostinger to get Moodle online and then focus on what matters most: teaching, tutoring, coaching, guiding learners, and creating meaningful learning experiences. In this video, I'll show you how to install Moodle on Hostinger so you can start building your own online learning platform for tutoring, teaching, training, coaching, or homeschooling. The first thing I'm going to do is choose a plan. So click on that. I'll choose this plan, and notice here I can cancel at any time, which is super important. And notice there's the Moodle auto deploys with your VPS. Isn't that absolutely amazing? Now notice this is for 24 months. I can choose 12 months or I can choose 1 month. In my case, I'm going to choose 1 month just to see how it goes. I'm going to continue. It is so simple. It's unbelievable. Next, I'm going to go into register. Notice what comes up next. I don't have to do a single thing. Notice admin and the password, as well as the admin email. Didn't do a thing. And then I'm going to hit deploy. It is so simple. It's unbelievable. Now notice your project is being deployed. You can manage your VPS when deployment is finished. So I'm going to be patient and wait and see what happens next. And that was amazingly fast. That's it. Notice I have a terminal here. If you're not familiar with that, let me know and I'll be glad to help you figure it out. You can also ask AI here about anything on this page and you'll get information. So simply ask AI called Codi and ask for information. You can turn it on right now or maybe later. Let me continue here. There's lots of information, which is why Ask AI, Ask Codi is very, very useful. But you don't need any of that right now. All you need to do is open, click on that, and that's it. Here's your Moodle. All you need to do is log in using the information for the admin. Next, I'm going to log in with the admin. Now I'm going to give the site a name. We'll call it Nellie's and a single short name for the site, right? And then my location and self-registration, save changes. Now, if you're not familiar with Moodle, that's okay. You can always go into ChatGPT or Gemini and ask how to manage it, or you can take one of my courses and learn how to manage. Not that difficult, really, really easy, and I'll be happy to help. And that said, you can give a description here. Notice the admin email, you can change that as well. And you can also sign this up. And the rest is going to be so much fun. But I just wanted to show you how easy it is on Hostinger to install your Moodle in one click, literally one click. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. And use the comment box below to add your comments, questions, and anything else you'd like to add. And subscribe for more.